Recently, we went over how to multiply fractions. We looked at multiplying fractions by whole numbers, multiplying fractions by fractions. We also proved that the steps needed to multiply fractions will work even if it's a proper fraction or an improper fraction. Today, we're going to take a look at the steps needed to divide fractions. The steps are very similar to multiplying fractions. There's only one difference. Let's talk about that difference now with an example. If you remember, when you multiply fractions, you are basically just multiplying across. Numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. When you think about division, it's the opposite of multiplication, right? Multiplication is the repeated addition of a number, and division is the repeated subtraction of a number. Before we get started, let's talk about the term reciprocal. What is a reciprocal? A reciprocal in simple terms is when you have a fraction and you switch the numerator and denominator. What a reciprocal does is it makes it easy for you to divide fractions by turning it into a multiplication problem. And multiplying fractions is easy. Let's show that real quick with whole numbers. Take the problem 10 divided by 5. We know that the answer is 2, but when you lay it out in fraction form, you can see how a reciprocal comes into play. We take 10, we put it over 1 to convert it to fraction form. We want to divide that by 5, which we will also put over 1. Now, for the number we're dividing, we flip 5 over 1 to be 1 over 5, which is its reciprocal. Now we change the division sign to multiplication, and we can multiply straight across. We get 10 over 5, which again we know is 2. So that was just an example to illustrate what a reciprocal is and how important it is for dividing fractions. When thinking about dividing fractions, I want you to remember 3 letters. K, F, C. We aren't talking about chicken here, but it's an easy way to remember the steps for dividing fractions. K stands for keep. You keep the first fraction written the same. F stands for flip. You flip the numerator and denominator of your second fraction, which is the same thing as its reciprocal. C, change the sign from dividing to multiplying. Let's walk through one now. Example, what is 1/3 divided by 1/5? Step 1, K. We keep the first fraction down and write it the same. Step 2, F. We flip the second fraction to be its reciprocal, which now becomes 5 over 1. Step 3, C. We change the sign from division to multiplication. Now that we've done that, we can multiply across. 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 1 is 3. The answer is 5/3, or you can put it into a mixed number form as 1 2/3. Let's walk through 2 more examples. Take 2/5 divided by 4/9. We write down 2/5. We flip 4/9 to be 9 over 4, and we change the sign from division to multiplication. If you multiply straight across, you get 18 over 20, which can be simplified down further as 9/10. Last example, 3 over 11 divided by 2/3. We keep 3 over 11. We flip 2/3 to be 3 over 2. We change the sign to multiply. The answer is 9 over 22. So hopefully that's an easy way for you to remember the steps for dividing fractions. Don't forget to simplify if you have to. For more math tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on TikTok at ImproveMath1 and check out my website for worksheets and additional practice at ImproveMath.com. Thanks for watching.